7 semanas pues venía una situación pues todavía de lesión importante. Hicimos un plan de trabajo en el que hemos intervenido médico, fisioterapeuta y preparador físico. Hemos ido pasando una serie de etapas y Cristian ha peleado ahí muy bien, ha trabajado, que es lo que necesitamos de los pacientes, que los pacientes se impliquen y hagan la faena que les vamos poniendo, y la mejoría a fecha de hoy es importantísima. Hemos conseguido en 7 semanas lo que estamos planificando casi para 12.
Concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Todd's picking it up. Let's go. We got together to do this music, the more we became enveloped, we just developed the fellowship. There's no pretension, it's friendship, me nemesis, assume nemesis ain't for him, it's just me. You see the image, just images, the shit is no gimmick. Blood in and blood out, when it's beef, you just gotta know when the blood in and blood out. If there's a problem, we solve it, we don't resolve it, it usually just evolves into one big brawl, and we all get involved in it, we should all get a mirror. This most beef we inherit and wear it like a badge of honor, pass it around and share it, and let it go to whoever's holding the most current beef on their shoulders, and the soldiers got the backs of the total. But tonight, we ain't coming here to beef with nobody, we came to party. Thanks, Cash is a Mr. Ferrari, so it's shady at the Miss Ad, back in that ass, you was asking this song, what kind of philosophic position is this? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
I say I run it, cause I'm in control. Hypnotic, gonna see a couple shots of Patron. I ain't feeling the hype, I get your eyes a kite. Party poppin', shawty said she coming with me tonight. I ain't so deleted, I ain't snapping and popping either. I'm bumping my head or I'm just standing there watching. I'm a hustler, I hustle, you can tell that I'm paid and I protect what I got. I'm in the house with my blade, nigga, you first you gon' get it. Okay, now maybe I'm silly, cause I want you to treat it. Yeah, I be on that shit. You should see when I'm stunting, I flat the stones to be button. Push the whips in me rolling, you can tell that I'm hollering. I'm just doing my thing, you know the units the game. I got my crime, you shady with me, you front, you'll have to get me off your ass. I paid a lawsuit and laugh. It's not a big deal, it's nothing but some game.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time before he even touches the key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure,